Hey, Map here, Map Investments. Today was a good day, profitable day. I'm up year to date for the month of January, and 2020 was a beautiful year, record year for me, and looking to do the same thing here in 2021. To be honest with you, the markets have been pretty stable. There hasn't really been big swings to make really killer profits in my opinion. It's been pretty stable and the swings have been pretty the moves have been pretty one-sided, and when you get some to the downside they haven't been that big. But I'm selective and I'm always looking for trades, and I'm active, so that helps. So anyways, I'm up for the year, and thank God, because this is what I do for a living. I was laid off in 2020 because of the corona virus, and I worked for a company for 10 years, outside sales. Worked from the good thing is I worked a lot from home, and I did have to visit customers and stuff, but I did self-teach myself and watched a lot of Tasty Trade and TD Network, and watched the pros and professionals, and I would binge watch a lot of YouTube videos and try to learn the ins and out, and I'm here, I'm surviving, and I'm doing it profitable. So that's the goal, is to put out a message to the subscribers and whoever, YouTube world out there that's looking for information. Try and bring them good content on how to develop trades, mechanics, how to look at markets, how to find the trades, and how to look at IV and stuff like that. So the Bitcoin is up right now, and I did a video on the cryptos. The dollar, which is the symbol is $DXY, is pretty stable, holding the 90 level. So we got oil pretty flat at 53. The S&P 500 is up 10, which is /ES. Gold is down 7 /GC. Hogs are closed. They're /HE, $66. Copper HG 360. Now these are future contracts. These trade 23 hours a day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday they close at 5, and then they don't open again until Sunday at 6. And then they keep going, and they get a break from 5 to 6. So these contracts, they go mark to market. So if you're down and you're holding one of these products in your account and you say you're down 500, they take $500 from your account. If you're up 500, they put it in your account. So it's mark to market. Very efficient product and very tax friendly. The small caps up 8. What else? NASDAQ up 33 at 13,000. Dow Jones at 31,042, up 83. Natural gas at 276. The Nikkei's up 355. So Nikkei, so Japan must be yeah, here we go, Nikkei. Asia Pacific stocks mixed as investors await China's trade data for December. But here it says Nikkei up 340. Platinum and palladium pretty flat. Silver down 20 cents. Silver's at $25. VIX down a little bit. That's volatility, the fear gauge, down a little bit. And the grains, I did some trades in the grains. We got wheat down 6, soybeans pretty flat, and corn pretty flat. Interest rates, The 10-year is up 2.5 ticks, and the 30-year is up 6 ticks. So those are your futures. These are all your futures. You go to your mobile app, go to watch list, and pick the public list and pick up futures. And here they all are. Today I did about 65 trades. And I can walk you through them. I closed Ally for a loss, got out of that crap. I did a lot of cleaning up in the last couple of days to get rid of stuff that just doesn't have high probability of success and just clean up. And I'm grateful I did in the last couple of days, because I was down at the beginning of the year, but now I'm up for year to date. And it's never good to fight with your money. If you got a position and it's not working, just close it out and move on to the next. So don't fight with your money, and that's what I did, and it's paying dividends. So I closed at the SPY, and the IWM. They were crappy, so I closed all that crap out and moved on. I saw the put credit spread in the soybeans. This one right here, I did this one for $3.25. Soybeans have been strong. I think the grains will stay solid. And then I did an iron condor on corn, which is a range bound trade, but I skewed a little bit more to the upside because I think corn will go higher. I talked to you guys this morning about FSI. I bought more of it at $3.05. It closed today at $3.50, up 71 cents, 25%. So I'm holding about 500 shares of FSI, a chemical small cap company. Powwow, they make ammunition. I closed out my calendar and I made 50% on that. I bought back this short on the small caps for a very tiny gain. And then the rest were pretty much a lot of opening trades. I bought 100 shares of BioX. I bought 100 shares of LPTH. I did a calendar spread on Acor. I did a put credit spread in GOEV. I did a calendar spread on General Motors. I did a put credit spread on wheat. This is wheat. So I'm in all the grains right now. I went a little bit bearish on GameStop. I think that move was kind of exaggerated and just a mega short squeeze. May be wrong. I only wagered $125 on a put credit. On a calendar spread to the downside. 1 second. I did a put credit spread on CCIV. I bought a call on AGRO, the McDonald's of Argentina, out in time. I went long 100 shares of URG. I sold a put in Glue Mobile. I did an iron condor in Airbnb. I went long OPTT, which does like ocean energy, but I think I'm getting my butt whipped here. I think it went down 50 cents, whatever. Was it 50? No, 25 cents. I'm sorry. I'll hold that one. I've seen that one big pop. Oh, this was a bigger trade for me. I did 500 shares of BCX. Now BCX is a commodities ETF. So I got in it because they pay a dividend on the 14th. I think tomorrow. They pay a pretty good BCX. Here we go. So I think they pay a dividend tomorrow. It's a closed-end fund investing in securities issued by commodity or natural resources. It's by BlackRock. Doesn't have the dividend date here, but I know that. Oh yeah, it is. There it is. Tomorrow they pay a dividend and they pay a 5.7% yield. But not only I got into it because of that, which is it's a plus. The other thing is that if you see on the weekly chart, it broke this 821 with some volume. Look at the volume here. 5 million. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, 5 million shares here. And you can see that the volume is picking up and the RSI is picking up. And so they're in natural resources. And with the dollar declining, why not? Why not get a little bit of money so they can manage and buy some commodity stuff? And the high was 14, and collect a dividend. So I had some cash there. I deployed it in this one. It's basically like an ETF. So I did that in BCX, Blackstone. Bought a call in CIX out in time. It's a coal producer. I bought back Kern for 50% profit. And I did a calendar also in CIX. iClick was bought back for 50% profit. TKC, what did I do with KC? TKC. I bought some calls on in time on TKC. Oh, I did a nice day trade. I'll probably do another video on this one, but check this out. I bought FRSX at 545, right? And I got out at, this was a day trade, at 756. Good day trade. I'll do a video on that one because I'm sure that one's going to be popular. I did a put credit spread in ALF, AYRO. I bought back the call side on VIPs. Wasn't feeling it. I broke even. I kept the put. I had a strangle on it. So I just took off that risk. I did a put credit spread in FUV. I bought back a strangle on FUV because I don't like the risk reward. Sometimes you got to go with your gut. I made a little bit and took it off and then put another position. IPOE as a SPAC. I did a put credit spread. REFR. I picked up a couple calendars for 5 cents. That was kind of awkward. It was kind of awkward. I never picked up a calendar for that amount. 5 cents. So I don't know. I'm gonna keep an eye on this one. That was weird. This one was up pretty good today on some heavy volume. Research Frontiers. I did the 5 calendar. So here's the weekly chart. And then here's the monthly chart. It was up on some volume. So what I did was I sold the 5 in February, and I bought the 5 in March for 5 cents. So I don't know. I've never bought something like that at that price. I thought it was a pretty good trade. Let's see what happens. I'm curious. Anyways, let me continue. I sold the put credit spread. I opened a lot of trades today. I sold the put credit spread in SRAC. Another put credit spread in SYBX. I closed this calendar in VSTO because it expires the front month this month and it's in the money, so I closed it. I sold a put credit spread in Dell. I sold a put credit spread in Canopy. I sold a put credit spread in SKLZ. I sold a put credit spread in Chewy and in Fisker. I sold a put credit spread in Space, and the good thing is Space blew up after hours. Space blew up after hours. It took off to Space. Up $3.84 to $32 almost. I sold the 25-20 put spread for, what did I sell it for? $1.70, $170. Did a put credit spread in JD.com. Did a put credit spread in Telray Marijuana. Did a put credit spread in Beyond Meat. Closed my calendar in what's it called? Nautilus, yeah, Nautilus equipment company like Peloton. I went long XTLB 100 shares. I went short Nokia on a calendar. I closed my VU at ZI calendar for some profits because it's already at 10, and the front month is this month closed Friday. I went long XELA 100 and GBR and SRT and CGA. I went long 100 shares there. ENG, I did a straddle and I bought the call to protect me to the upside. So did that and bought back my Myrna Iron Condor for a profit. Bought back Bison for 50% profit on that spread. And that's pretty much it. So you get a feel for my trades. And I'm pretty diversified. Stocks, Iron Condors, put credit spreads. So that's pretty much a recap of my day in the market. Profitable day. 65 trades plus. And I'll probably do some individual videos on some of the higher flyer names that are popular. And almost at 100 subscribers, so thank you. Please like the channel, share with your friends, family. Comment below if you need any help or any strategy, try and help you. Or if you don't understand something, you can try and explain it to you or do a video on it, which I've done for other folks that have requested. And, subscribe for notification. I try and do a couple videos a day. Well, anyways, have a good night, and I'll see you in the next video.